All right, y'all. Got something super cool today. 2006 Cadillac XLR. We've never had one on the page, so I think it's super cool. This one is in excellent condition. So if you're new here, we'll take you all around the car. We'll knock out this test drive, throw it on the rack so you can see all underneath it, and try to show everything that we can. So first up, again, you can tell this one is in beautiful condition. It's in that beautiful champagne color. One of the first things I always check for, older cars. I know it sounds crazy saying the 2006, but it's 20 years old. So check out the lights. No condensation, no oxidation. So super clean. Bridgestone tires all the way around. Moving down, paint is in beautiful condition. This is a really good color that hides defects well. So like swirls and things from the car washes. Of course, I get up close as much as I can to show you. Like I said, this paint is phenomenal. Didn't have any dents or anything on the door that I really could see to point out. Rear quarter panel looks solid. As I'm looking down, no dents or anything there to point out. This is a hardtop convertible, of course. We'll show that in the video. I'll make sure you guys see it working, going up and down as well. And this is directly under the lights. So when I say the paint is phenomenal, you guys barely see any scratches, from car washes and that. That's how good it looks. So rear of the vehicle, you got your cool quad exhaust, kind of like the Corvette, which this is what this was meant to be, Cadillac's version of the Corvette. So super dope. No dents or anything. You got your backup sensors, which wasn't super popular back in 06. Quarter cut over here again, no dents. Body panels all seem to be fitting pretty well. Rolling on down the door. Again, I don't really have anything to point out. Front glass looks good. I don't see any cracks or anything that I can point out. Coming down the hood of the car. I always like these chrome mesh grills on these Cadillacs, especially, I don't remember the exact year, but I know it was around this time, somewhere in that, I don't know, maybe around this 06 time when they changed up the wreath and a lot of people started using these type of grills on these, the CTSs, the STSs, and the Escalades. But very, very clean front. Nothing really to point out there. See if I can grab the keys. Oh, I forgot. Grab the keys. See if I can get this hood pop. There we go. There we go. Clean underneath, 4.9 North Star. No, it's not the 4.9. I forgot what this is, honestly. Pretty clean underneath though. It's the what am I saying, 4.9? 4.9 is what's in that car. I just shot that. This is the 4.6. Power steering, power brakes, AC, all your normal goodies. See if it's not gonna be any room back here, obviously. I don't even know if I can open this with the thing down. Touch button right here to open. Like I said, it's really nothing to see. Obviously, this is all the room you have. Maybe like a little small bag or something, a pair of shoes, when the top is down. I'll show you guys the top again, like I said, when we do the test drive. Or at the end of the video when I put it on the rack. Because it's like 76. I'm going to keep the top down on the test drive. Beautiful interior. No rips or warping on the door panel. Carpet looks nice and clean. No rips or cuts in the seats. Dash is clean, no cracks, no warping. Your center console, somewhere for you to hang your bags. Let's get on over to the driver's side. Did I make a mistake and hit the lock button? Yep. Here we go on our driver's side. Yeah, nothing here. Seats are in great condition. Let me go ahead and hop in. Push button start's been installed on here. Make sure I got my seat back as far as I can go. All right, got the seat back. Getting my seatbelt on. All right, mileage 40,918. So that's amazing in itself. Obviously, left turn, right turn. Lights are on. They're automatic. I can see them off that car right there. Wipers good. Windows, which you'll see all of that when I put the top up and down, because they automatically go up and down for that as well. Horn good. It's a CD in here. Is that Pink Floyd? How do I eject this? Bam. I am guessing, am I right? Yep. So I got a Pink Floyd CD. If you guys watch our videos a lot, I always say I don't ever have a CD to test CD changers and that. This one actually did have one, so crazy. We'll turn that off. Let's turn on the AC. Dual zone climate. AC is blowing. We'll turn that off. Traction control, top operation, and I believe that's it, right? I think we got everything. Oh, we got a heads up display, but I am not seeing it. Panel dimming. Yeah, I don't see that. Let that roll. I'm running through the options real quick. Average 15 miles to the gallon. Tire pressure is good. Let's see. Not gonna mess with any of that. Got the little map light that comes on. And that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and roll. My fault, flip the visor up and it hit. Can't go out that way. Oh, all the gauges you guys can clearly see, they're all working. Looks like we got 3/4 of a tank of gas. Temperature's coming up, oil pressure's reading, and we got voltage. One thing, I was never a crazy big fan of these. I thought the V's were kind of dope, but it wasn't no car that I ever dreamt of having. But I did like some of the dope features. I like that boy Gary had design like the gauges and that. It was kind of dope. Make it kind of look like a watch face. Nothing super crazy, but I just thought it was cool. Very, very quiet car. Clearly she is a cruiser. This is one of them beach cruiser, canyon road type vehicles where you're just cruising. You're not gonna be racing anybody. You're not in a rush to go anywhere. Obviously, there's not much you can put in the car unless you are riding solo. Then you can fit a suitcase or a golf bag or something, but you ain't gonna put nothing in the trunk. Nice and quiet. Again, I don't hear anything, no bell squeal, no rattling. Surprisingly, obviously I feel kind of tight in this car, but I don't have any wind hitting my head or anything like that. Not a bunch of wind noise, so obviously a little bit of good design there on the aerodynamics. He about to take a super wide turn. He ain't paying attention. I don't think that other one was. Definitely a cool little car just to be driving. Obviously there are two different customer bases. I believe myself, no way I would take this over a Corvette. I know it's kind of unfair to keep comparing them, but it's just the, you know, it's the truth of the matter. You know, Corvettes was made for younger people. Cadillacs was for your older crowd, people retiring, things like that. Very, very clean interior, again, for a 20-year-old vehicle. Drives phenomenal, hands off the wheel. You can see that she's tracking straight, steering is aligned. I don't have any bumps or anything. Suspension is pretty solid. Brakes feel how I would expect them to feel. No pulsating or anything. I'll take my hand off when I come to the stop sign. Hard on the brakes. She's not pulling the wheel or anything like that. So I expect underneath this car to be exceptionally clean as well. So give me a second, I'll get her on the rack and we will check it out. All right, we got the XLR up on the rack. So again, rear bumper looks solid. Let me get up under here. Got your true dual exhaust exiting into the quad tips. Pretty clean. Independent rear suspension. Disc brakes, all 4 corners. It's gonna be super easy going through this. Obviously, everything is boxed in on the frame for aerodynamic purposes, for the floors, I mean. No rust, everything looks phenomenal under here. Move through here. I don't show any signs of leaks anywhere. No signs of rust. Everything looks beautiful under here. Oil pan nice and clean. As we came to the front, everything looks nice, so I don't have anything to worry about right here. Kind of makes it easy when everything's boxed in like that. Our front bumper looks good. No cracks or anything. Coming on over to the passenger side. Gotta love those C5 style calipers with the XLR on them. Wheels look solid. Underneath the car, looks solid again. Super easy to go around them when they're somewhat newer, but well maintained. Didn't have any cracks in any of the plastics anywhere. So let's drop her down. All right, y'all, I'm trying to do this from outside the car so you guys can see everything. Probably not gonna be able to do it, but we're gonna try. Top up. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I'm holding the button down. You guys can see everything comes up. Latches and self locks on its own. And we are done. Get a little message on the screen that says it's done. Windows go up on their own back there. Top is excellent condition. Obviously it's a hard top, no cracks or anything like that. And lights. So if you guys are interested in this 06, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.